What's up, everybody? It is Courtney, and I know it's been a minute since we kicked it. I apologize for not having any content up. As you can see, I switched departments. As you can see, we're in the middle of a pandemic. We're in the middle of the unjust killing of Black bodies. We're in the middle of dealing with the lesser of two evils in a presidential election. It's a lot. So I haven't had any content for you guys, but I said, let me come on here and show you all what I'm doing with my hair, give you all a quick update before I go into what this video is actually for. You can already tell by the title. I will be giving her a new color, but I am officially 10 months locked. I am fully locked. If you're my friend on Instagram, you can see that I've now been rocking a lot of cute ponytails, a lot of cute buns, a lot of cute updos, a little curl. I've been looking good because my locks are locked and they got weight. And you see that? They move. But I'm just gonna turn around and show you guys the back really quickly. Excuse the brush strap, but this is what 10 months of patience, consistency, and healthy locks look like. And I am so happy with my lock journey. I haven't been experiencing anything crazy. I still retwist every 3 to 4 weeks using a super growth hair gel or my new products. During the time that I was off of YouTube, I have launched my hair products, Courtney's Choice, which are amazing locked and natural hair products. It's a 3-piece collection. However, on the 30th, I will be releasing 2 new products that I'm really excited for. So if you are interested in supporting me in that endeavor and making sure your locks and your curls are looking A1, get you some Courtney's Choice, baby. I'll make sure to have my Etsy shop in the bio. But today, I will be transforming my locks. I will be going from this color, which is the fade out from that sunset orange that I did back in March, to purple. I haven't done a purplish color in around 3 years. So I'm really excited to be doing something new. And of course, I will be using my favorite hair color of all time, Arctic Fox. It's a semi-permanent hair color. I'm using the shade Purple Rain. Why I love it is because it's cruelty-free, it's vegan. You get a lot of bang for your buck. This will last me around 3 color touch-ups. And I love that. I will not be lifting any more of my hair. I use my black roots as an indicator for my growth. So this is all growth from me being locked. Ain't that crazy? That also goes to show you how much shrinkage I have, because you remember when I had my natural hair out, this was around 8 inches worth of hair. This piece right here that's all shrunken. So I'm really excited to be coloring my hair. I appreciate you all for being here. If you haven't, please like and subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I will keep more content coming, I promise y'all, I promise. Just YouTube be hard. Like, I can't just post a picture and go. That's horrible. But let's get into it.
Come wrap your arms around me. Your light is so astounding, and I need more. I just need you all around me. I find your mellow moving, your turn of phrases soothing me, Lord. I adore. I just need you to surround me. Wanderlust into a new place. I'm just riding in on your waves. Can't trust how I want to behave. Trying to escape won't take much persuasion, but am I a danger? force of nature, boo. If you like, then we can make it too. Drawn out pauses makes me want you, wanna force it. Honey droplets, fire starter. I'm a mortar, pecan pipe dream. You entice me. I'm a red ellipses on my chin. Can't you feel the tremors on my skin? I'm melting your mouth like sun kiss. Salted caramel tongue tips. Cocoa butter fingers on my hips. Submissive to my grip, and I'll sing on your body like velvet. Drawn to you when I can't help it. Wanderlust into a new place. I'm just riding in on your waves. Can't trust how I want to behave. Trying to escape won't take much persuasion. But am I a danger to you? I got it major for you. A force of nature, boo. If you like, then we can make it too. Drawn out pauses makes me wanna force it. Honey droplets, fire starter. I'm a mortar, pecan pipe dream. You entice me. Come wrap your arms around me. Your light is so astounding, and I need more. I just need you all around me. I find your mellow moving. Your turn of phrase is soothing me, Lord. I adore. I just need you to surround me. Wanderlust into a new place. I'm just riding in on your waves. Can't trust how I want to behave. Trying to escape won't take much persuasion. But am I a danger to you? I got it major for you. A force of nature, boo. If you like, then we can make it too. Drawn out pauses makes me want you, wanna force it. Honey droplets, fire starter. I'm a mortar, pecan pipe dream. You entice me. I'm a red ellipses on my chin. Can't you feel the tremors on my skin? I'm melting your mouth like sun kiss. Salted caramel tongue tips. Cocoa butter fingers on my hips. Submissive to my grip, and I'll sing on your body like velvet. Drawn to you when I can't help it. Wanderlust into a new place. I'm just riding in on your waves. Can't trust how I want to behave. Trying to escape won't take much persuasion. But am I a danger to you? I got it major for you. A force.
Alright guys, so I applied the color to my hair. I let it sit on for around 2 hours. I wasn't supposed to let it sit on that long, but I got distracted. I was on the phone, all of this stuff. And then I shampooed my hair and rinsed out the color off camera. Why I rinsed it off camera is because y'all done seen me partially nude in the shower washing my hair too many times, and y'all get the gist. But I used the soapbox tea tree shampoo to clean and purify. It has aloe and shea. It's color safe, silicone free, paraben free. I picked this up from Sally's while I got my color. I haven't seen my color. I just literally got straight out the shower, put a t-shirt on it and blotted it. So when I see the color, y'all go see the color. I know this is gonna have a lot of dark undertones in it, and this is my first time seeing myself with darker hair in over a year and a half. So y'all gonna see if I like it. And I'm nervous. Period. And goodbye. So we're gonna see. I freaking love it. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. That one didn't get that much dye. But this looks so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Like, this is so cute. So I'm about to turn it around. This is so cute. I'm so pretty. It doesn't make any sense at all. But I'm about to turn around to the back. I love this. I love this color. I love this color so much. I was really nervous to go back to a darker color, but I think this is fun. I really wish I put more dye on this one. I probably am gonna put some more dye on that one, just so they can match. But this is gorgeous. This is so beautiful. So I'm about to moisturize my hair. I'm going to retwist my edge line and this row right here. And then I'm gonna show you how it looks all put together in the morning time when I'm going out and about. All right, guys, so it is the next morning. I'll put a little eyebrow on, put a little mascara, a little gloss, you know, a little something for the girls. As you can see, I retwisted the middle portion of my hair and my edge line just because I wanted to look neat and clean in the front. I do like more volume in my locks, so that's why I didn't retwist the whole length of my hair. Well, not the whole length of my hair, my complete head. But I am going to swoop my edges, and of course I will be using the Bara maximum hold edge tamer. And I'm just gonna do my edges really quickly, and then shape my hair down. But I love this color. I've been in the orange reddish family for so long. It's been almost 2 years since I've had a different color, and this is just giving me color realness. Like, it's just giving me that. Exactly. Y'all get what I'm saying. Y'all got what the hand motions signified. And I don't do nothing crazy with my edges. I just get them a little swoop. Little swoop, swoop. Nothing too out of the way. I am gonna go in and detail my sideburns because those babies are important too. Okay, the edge line is complete. You don't have to tie her down. Once again, y'all know how I feel about bar. Like, it's the best stuff ever. I'm just gonna shake down these ponytails. This is beautiful. Like, this is absolutely gorgeous. Like, wow. So that's it. That is me transforming my locks, giving her a new color. I feel so beautiful and stylish and hip and content with this color. I love it. I love my locks. I appreciate y'all for showing me so much love on this journey. New subbies, I love y'all too. And stay tuned. I will have some more content coming up. And I appreciate all the love and support. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn those post notifications on, because once again, we're gonna have some more coming up real soon, all right? But thank you once again for watching, and I hope that you all enjoyed.